Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-sportline, and I've got another custom Cybertruck to show off to you. Let me go through everything we've done here. This is a really special build for us. So this customer is actually exporting this truck to Belize. This is going to be a rolling billboard for his business, Special Effects Auto Parts. Now you guys know we've done a ton of wrapping on Cybertrucks. We've got the DIY kit so you can do it at home. You can come to us in Atlanta or in Los Angeles and we'll do the wrap. But what you may not know is that we can do fully custom printed graphics as well. And this is a great showcase. This customer wanted something that just screamed Cyberbeast. So our artist started with this Cyberbeast graphic as the underlay, and then we took his company logo, which has some arrow in there in a couple different colors, and it's faded out, and we had to print that. That's not actually just a cut vinyl. But we can do both. We can custom print graphics like this, or we can cut those straight out of vinyl. Whatever you come up with, we're happy to create it and make your custom vehicle. This customer started with Satin Pearl White, which is a 3M film. It's a vinyl. We did the wrap first, that's the Satin Pearl White. And then the graphics on here, we've got Satin Black, we've got his custom red, and then of course, this color fade on the graphics was custom printed. And this is another piece of vinyl that we installed over the wrap. The wheels, part two. We have our CT7 fully forged wheels. That's a 20-inch option here. Looks great on this truck. And we've got tinted windows to top it off. So guys, let us know, what do you think of this custom vehicle? I bet you love the Cyberbeast graphic, but let us know in the comments about this truck and what you want to see next for us. And I appreciate everybody tuning in to see this custom Cybertruck. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and come back soon because we've got a lot more of this greatness coming your way.